What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Jordo FPV. You know the deal. Weekly uploads of me going through the ups and downs of learning how to fly first-person view drones right here on the channel. If that's something you're interested in, feel free to subscribe. Today's episode, we're going to be collaborating with my very best friend Nick FREESTYLE and his Pursuit of Everything channel that I also help run and make videos for. He got the DJI FPV. He's let me know he wants to get a little bit better at it. We're gonna put my FREESTYLE drone in the air with the GoPro 7 on it. We've got that lens angled perfectly. It's called Loggerhead Beach Park. There's a big natural area and it's pretty much just nature trails out there. It's a very wooded area too in sections. There's some trees that just stick up randomly, so I think I'll have some stuff I could weave in and out of, which will be nice. I've never really flown in a place that dense before. Also, taking off and landing is going to be a bit of a trick because there is no open field. This is the first time I'll be flying where my takeoff and landing will be somewhat dictated by the nature trail I'm on. FREESTYLE should be pulling in any minute. We'll grab the one wheel and suit up. See you in the swamp. Ready for it? FPV / weed eater, but she's a sturdy beast. Catching some breeze from it right below it. Yeah. One big thing I noticed right away is that one will actually hover and it will respond to a home point as soon as it takes off, which is nice because you can get carried away obviously with your lines, being how acrobatic these are, and forget where you are or what direction you came from or anything like that. So you can go a little more peace of mind, hands off with this version for sure. Correctly angled lens. Hopefully that rig gets us right.
Dude, you got a little funk? You got a little funk too.
I'm so shaky, dude, it's crazy. So nuts, dude. All right, the angle is good. That's for sure. Angle is proper. Will you bring her over in front of us?
Yeah, come back this way, do the same thing. I got a sick screen through shot though. See how close you can get to something? Or you just enjoying?
I'm just freestyling, dude.
Really? Dude, the GoPro! Maybe it's easier to fly with the GoPro.
Maybe.
Weight distribution or something?
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, I've never figured it out.
I feel like I just like
That was money though.
did suicides or something.
That was money. Good stuff.
Thanks, guys. Whew! That was heavy. I'm sweating. I need to get like some.
Oh, dude, it looks so sick like that here.
What did you notice, Nick, right away? Like the difference from seeing mine in the air for the first time?
Yours looked a lot more stable, I'd say. I feel like this one drifts more. Like if I'm turning and I'm doing a circle, I feel like this thing, because of how much weight it has, will push like another 5-6 feet. And I noticed yours, like if you stopped, it just stopped.
Well, we're out of there. Successful mission. And we're back at the casa. It's a beautiful day at the casa. Kind of wanted to give you guys a breakdown while it's still fresh on my mind. I'm super jittery with the sticks still. Like when I first take off, I don't think I've crashed enough to have the confidence to not be jittery. That's gonna be something that I'm gonna work on, probably mellow out on the coffee in the mornings just a little bit. Feel like the GoPro 7's weight up front helped me control it better. Even just with the takeoff, I noticed that it was a little bit more forward heavy, so I had to immediately counterbalance that. You'll see in the video. Yeah, I was super stoked to get around some trees, fly in some open areas, and really see the speed of that thing with the angle of the lens the way it was. Now, landing is a little bit tricky because of how high that lens is angled. When you land, you want to be hovering perfectly straight down. I can't control the angle of my lens via remote, so what it's angled at is what it's set to. It's almost like you have to come up to your scene that you're landing at an angle, kind of suss out the ground real quick, and then just go off your gut. Anyway, super stoked on it. I will definitely be buying some drivers, they call them, the hex head drivers, because I definitely need to tighten some things up just to get it a little more tighter, because after a while can definitely loosen those bolts up on your drone. So cheers, guys. I appreciate you watching this episode. If you like it, feel free to subscribe. I'm going to be doing videos like this pretty much weekly in hopes that you guys can learn for yourself on how to fly FPV one day if you choose to. So cheers, guys. We'll see you next time.